What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yes, we got another analog watch face for you all to check out. So I don't know if you're hitting board meetings or if you're going to be dressed up super casual, but this watch face can still be considered an everyday watch face. Now, at the end of the day, you tell me if it's worth the download or not. Now, the name of the watch face is called WFP0086. I'm loving the look. It's a nice, elegant looking analog watch face. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. Not bad at all. But when the watch face is on, I like the simplicity of this one. Yes, it's pretty much going to be your energy saving watch face as well, so far as battery consumption is concerned. But it has more so of a traditional look. Now, if you look at the hands, they're red. I like the look of that. It's going to tie into red and black very nicely. The index, very different, but yet nice. Now, you get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Get your battery percentage, which is important to a lot of us. And then you get your date, the classic place for it to be, right to the right. And down at the bottom, you will get the day of the week. But check this out. It is interactive, which makes this a nice download, to me, in my opinion. You can set an alarm if you so choose to let you know what time that board meeting start, and you get your battery info. But also on top of that, I could customize the theme of this watch face a little bit, change the color. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome analog watch face. Not bad for a Saturday or a Friday night, or maybe even a Sunday afternoon, depending on what you're doing for that day. But this is not a bad look. But you tell me, people, at the end of the day, you tell me, is it worth the download, or should I have just left it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you're enjoying the rest of your day. We're going to see you all at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.